are pleased to show you the 2020 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, front-wheel drive. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.